Good one. The screen is in big size, which is good for the price. Nice. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. Very good product at this price. But slim and weight less. Price is good. But not for gaming. Online for general use. Great. Brightness is not good, although it is adjustable but doesn't make big change, but it's okay. Like. Good bang for the buck. The included power cable was very low quality and gave out in the first day. No other trouble and the monitor is working well till now. Super. VGA and HDMI cable is there. Okay. Good. It's come to HDMI port. Good product. Click link in description for more reviews.